So let's see how we should go about this problem. The first thing I would do is all the vertical angles, linear pairs, and the triangle sum theorem. So looking at this, could I say since I have 140, could we write 40 right here? Yep. And when I do, to find angle D, I can add these two and subtract it from 180, right? So what is 180 minus, is that 87?
Yes.
How many? 93. And then do all the other vertical angles. Here's 93. Now go to my linear pair of 120. What is my linear pair of 120? 60. Could we find this angle now?
Yes.
So we have 60 minus or plus 93 is 153, right? If I subtract it from 180, how many would that give us? How many? 47, correct? Everyone good with that?
No.
Was it not 47? Was it 27? Oh, I was way off. Goodness. What a sad day. 27. I'm recording. Stop. All right. Let's go on to maybe this one down here. If that's 140, this is also 40. And if I take these two and add it and subtract from 180, that should give us how many?
79.
Is it 79? I got something else.
69.
So we have 69. And we know vertical angles are also congruent too. Let's do our linear pair. Could we find this angle just by looking at, actually, angle A by looking at this big triangle? We have this corner. We have this corner. Could we find that other corner? So how many would that give us? 71 plus 27? So 180 minus 98. Is it 98? How many would that give us?
82.
How many?
82.
82? Yep. Could we find angle B now? Which is? 45. How would I find angle C? Add these two, subtract it from 180. That should give us how many down here?
40.
How many? Is it 40? Let's try the math on the side.
53.
Yeah, I see 53, but let's double check. So we go 127, that should be 53. So that will give us 127. So did we find all the angles so far? Not all of it quite, right? So here's also 53. And in this triangle, I could have 53 and 69. How many is that? Get 11. That will give us 11, 12. Is that 121? How many is 180 minus 121? 122 is correct. How many would that give us? 58. So now we can look at this big triangle right here and say E plus 47 plus 58 should give us 180. So someone give me angle E.
75.
I heard it 75. So let's fill it in. E is 75. Angle D is 93. And maybe we didn't need all of it, but more the better. What's C? 127. Someone find B. 45. 82.